Hey, welcome to How to Build Your Own Home. I want to talk about what happens when nature doesn't want to move and you don't want to move nature. We got a big, huge rock here, and it went down about 5 feet, extended that way about another 4 feet. And even with my Traco and my excavator's Traco, it was just not going to budge. So we're going to use it. We're going to leave it in place, and we actually worked with my engineer. I had to have an engineer letter saying it's approved. We drilled holes 6 inches down. Then we squished a rebar inside there with the epoxy. That had to be certified on site. In my particular area, I had to have what's called a special inspection. That inspector came up, inspected the depth of the holes, watched us squish it in there, and said, good, we're good to go. And now we're going to fill it up with concrete. And concrete's going to go in there, and we're going to slide our post in there and be ready to rock and roll. And it's going to be pretty cool. I'm going to have a major support on the corner of the home holding up a deck resting on this big monster boulder. So it's like that old saying I have, that's a nice boulder. This is a nice boulder. It's not going anywhere, and we are going to use it. This is a quick tip on what to do when you've got a boulder in the way. Don't try to move it if it's so big. The neat thing is it has the frost protection. I have a 36-inch frost depth here. I'm way beyond that, so I'm not going to have any lift here at all. So my engineer was okay with it. I had a special inspection. The inspector passed it off. We're good to go.